Welcome to MaidCV.com. What is your name and nationality?
I'm Ivy Marido. I come from Philippines.
Okay. How many years old are you?
I'm 38 years old.
Are you single or married?
I'm married.
Do you have children?
I don't have children.
Okay. So what job you are applying for?
I'm looking job all around anything as long as I'm
All around housemaid nanny.
Yeah, all around.
When would you be able to start working?
As long as somebody need, then I will work.
Immediately. Anytime you are available.
Yeah.
Do you have relatives in UAE?
Yes, I have.
Okay. Please describe your last job. What is your last job?
My last job is as a nanny all around.
Okay.
I take care of two children and
Okay.
cleaning and washing and ironing and watering the plant.
Okay. So describe, how do you clean the house?
I clean the house as I wake up in the morning because I have two children. I prepare first everything, the lunch box. Then when we go out, I clean the house, then dusting and prepare the food and washing and iron the clothes. That's it.
Okay. So how many times in a week you have to change the bed sheets in a bedroom?
Once a week I change the bed sheet
And how will you maintain the cleanliness of the toilets?
Of course, I clean the toilet every day.
Every day.
Yeah.
Okay. What would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
If my madam is not yet around, if they allow me that to open the door, of course I will open and I ask what's the things to be given to my employer. Then I will take it if my sponsor will allow me to open. That's it.
But you'll check with your
You check
employer
first, yeah.
before opening the door. Okay. So do you know how to cook?
Yeah, I know how to cook.
What kind of food you can cook?
Because I have already experience in Syrian cuisine and Filipino food,
Okay.
Lebanese, Syrian, and Pakistani, and
Okay.
Arabic. Only I didn't cook more Arabic, only little, but I'm ready to learn.
But you are willing to learn, following
Yes,
the instructions
yeah.
in a cookbook or given by your
Yeah, I will
employer.
learn.
Okay. So what favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
When sometimes because after I work, I will play with the boys. We are playing cricket. We're happy to play to each other, and sometimes I teach them for their homework.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you help them in
Yeah.
their studies.
Yes, studies.
Okay. What do children like best about you?
Because I always, if they ask me something, I always tell yes. I didn't tell no because they are child. They like, if you make happy with them, then the children like you more. That's why.
Okay. If one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what will you do?
First, I will check first if there's some, like for example, if there are the hands is born, so I need to wash it with warm water and then I add something or cream, then it will be good.
Okay.
That's it.
So are you willing to do light chores while the baby is sleeping?
What is that?
Are you willing to do light chores while the baby is sleeping?
Yeah.
Which type of chores are you willing to do?
While she is sleeping, cleaning. If she sleep, then if I know that she is comfortable in the room, then I can do my work.
Okay. So what type of work you can do most probably?
Most probably while she is sleeping, I can cook.
You can cook.
Yeah.
Okay. As a nanny, could you say no to a child?
For me, because I'm pity of the children, I can say no. Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you a situation, say yes or no, okay?
Okay.
If the child want to go to park alone, so will you allow him to go?
No.
No. So if it is bad or dangerous to the child, you have to say no.
Yes.
And then you have to explain them why are you saying no to them.
Yeah, because that's my responsible if something happens.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. The child finishes school at 3 p.m. and she will have a dinner at 6 p.m. During those 3 hours, what will you do to entertain the child?
Can you repeat my?
The child finishes school at 3 p.m. and she will have her dinner at 6 p.m. During those 3 hours, what will you do to entertain the child?
Yeah. First, if he finished school, I'll give him first.
Mm.
Make him relax and sleep and
Mm.
take some. I let him watch TV,
Mm.
then some rest and some
Mm.
snacks. That's it.
Okay. So how much is your minimum expected salary?
I'm expecting to 5 higher because I'm renting room. That's why I'm buying my food. That's why I'm willing to work. Don't worry, madam or sir. If you're willing to hire me, call me immediately because I need job before my end of
Yeah,
my
but how much is your minimum expected
to
salary?
5 higher.
2,500 dirham.
Yeah.
Okay. So what kind of a housemaid or nanny are you? Describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
I'm hardworking.
Okay.
I'm willing to learn everything. If I don't know the code, I'm willing to learn.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm simple. That's it.
Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you, Ivy, for your time for meetcv.com. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.